Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I have another soda review for you. Mountain Dew Baja Punch and Mountain Dew Baja Flash. I guess these are new. A friend from work, his name's Josh, told me about these. I saw him with the Baja Punch at lunchtime, and yeah, he told me that these were out. So shout out to him. We're going to try the Baja Flash first. Dew with a blast of natural and artificial pineapple coconut flavor. Smell the coconut, I think, first. I kind of smell the pineapple, I think, too. My itch glass. I hope this is good. Oh, I smell that coconut. Ooh. Oh yeah. Heavy on the coconut flavor. Not too heavy though, but definitely coconut. You can kind of taste the pineapple. Yeah. Yeah. Mountain Dew, so far, this is a win. I would definitely buy this again. And yes, I noticed the lipstick on my cheek, so it's gone now. He told me that it tasted like a pina colada. I don't remember if I've ever had a pina colada or not, but you could definitely taste the pineapple, and more so, I think, in my opinion, the coconut. And I know that's what a pina colada is made out of, along with rum, so maybe you could add some rum to this and have a Mountain Dew Baja Flash pina colada. Maybe that'll be on another video. But now let's get to Baja Punch. Dew with a blast of natural and artificial tropical punch flavor. I think my sense of smell is all screwed up for some reason tonight. I don't really smell any punch, so here we go. Oh, it's a nice color. Trying not to get my face in my lipstick again, because I didn't notice that until I stopped the video. Yeah, I taste the punch. Yeah. Yeah, I do taste the punch. I'm trying to come up with a good Code Red joke, but it could kind of remind you of Code Red, but it's not Code Red. It is punch. Yeah, it tastes like punch, Mountain Dew punch. And this was like Mountain Dew, pineapple and coconut. So if you're a Mountain Dew fan, I think you're definitely gonna like this. I really recommend this. The punch is good, but it's not something I'm gonna call home about. But I mean, would I buy the punch again? Yeah, I would. but it's not something that I'd be like, man, I gotta go get that. But this stuff, I think, yeah, I'll, make it a point to go and get some more of this. I got 2 cases of each, so I got some for a little while at least. But I am going to take them to work, so. No lipstick? Good. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say, and just have fun with it. If you're going to drink 2 glasses of pop at, really early in the morning. It's still dark out, but it's early in the morning. It's around 5-ish, I think. Just have fun with it. If you're going to decide whether or not you want to wear glasses in your video, and then ultimately not wear glasses, and then kind of consider glasses, but then saying no to the glasses. Just have fun with it. If you're going to be a clothing designer, just have fun with it. Also, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and then hitting the little bell for notifications, so that way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a share and a comment for the algorithm, please. And by the way, I'm going to try to get a recipe done here soon. Have a great night, everyone. By the way, what do you guys think of this look? Yay or nay?